we used to drive you calm. Pick up on all of your calls. In the parking lot in Tucson. Are you with me?
Hey lipstick besties, this is Victoria Lowe and I'm back with another video, which means another color. This beautiful color goes by the name of Hollywood. It is the perfect nude and it is inspired by MAC Cosmetics Honey Love. Stay tuned, I can't wait to share.
Let's mix it up. Mix it, lipstick, mix it, lipstick, mix it, lipstick, mix it, lipstick. Let's mix it up. Mix it, lipstick, mix it, lipstick, mix it, lipstick, let's mix it up.
So the full recipe to today's video will be available on my Patreon along with all of my other archive recipes. Shout out to all my current patrons. I love you guys so much, and of course we would love to have you be a part of the family as well. First things first, I'm going in with my world famous base, my Very Veelo Beauty lipstick base. You can grab that from veryveelobeauty.com, followed by some titanium dioxide, which is my white pigment powder, and that is going to lighten this shade and establish how light we want our nude to be. Then I'm going to mix it up really well so that everything could get incorporated evenly, following with some brown oxide, which is the start of the show. Immediately you see the change of it going from white to the beautiful nude. Now to establish the undertones and give it a hint of color, Honey Love has like this peach undertone, so I went in with some FD&C red 27 and some yellow 5 to establish the peach undertone, and then I needed it to be a little more yellow to mimic the shade, so I went in with some more yellow 5 to complete the color phase. Now that our color phase is done, it's time to make this product matte. So today we're making a matte bullet, and I'm adding in some kaolin clay, and then I'm going to fold that in really good. Kaolin clay does a fabulous job at absorbing all of the oils that are present in the base and allowing our product to dry down and have a nice moisture matte finish. Now to correct the texture and finish off the liquid lipstick portion of our lipstick, I'm going to go in with some Isododecane Remix, which you can grab from my website, veryveelobeauty.com. And then I'm going to power up my hand mixer, and just like that, we are done with the liquid lipstick portion. If you guys want, you could have just stopped here, but I'm going to go ahead and make a bullet. So I got my Very Veelo Beauty lipstick bullet base, which is a lot firmer so that it can hold the shape in the mold. And then what I'm going to do is take that finished product on the right, and then I'm going to add it to my bullet base and melt those two down together. Once your product is melted down, remove from the heat carefully with a paper towel and add in 1 drop of preservative. I'm using the clip from a previous video because I lost my clip. But yeah, it's the same concept. And then once you let it firm, or once you let it sit in the fridge for an hour, it's a must. It is a must if you want this to come out right. You scrape off the excess from the top, remove it from the fridge, scrape off the excess from the top, and then remove the top portion of the lipstick mold. Shout out to El Sabor for making these beautiful bottles, you guys. I love her. I was just chatting with her today. I love her, and just thanking her for all of these beautiful bottles. in her art and the time and the passion that it takes to make these bottles. But yes, you guys, I love the way that it came out. Me being patient this time allowed for the lipstick to mold properly. And I mean, yes, give it up for the perfect bullet. I love it when they come out perfect. Here I am just lining my lips with Denver. Denver is a brown that I made. It's one of my OG browns that I have in my line. I do have the video for Denver available, and it's also available. The recipe to Denver is also available on my Patreon. And then I'm taking that gorgeous Hollywood Honey Love dupe, and I'm just placing that in the center of my lips and just blotting it right into that liner. And it created the perfect combo. And if you want to go a step further and add some gloss, I'm using my Very Veelo Beauty Clear Ultra Shine. And just like that, you guys, this is so pretty. So of course I'm going to be selling this as a combo. The name of the combo is Miss Hollywood. If you're interested, it is available in wholesale as well as retail. And as always, thank you for allowing me to share my gift with you guys. I love you. Until next time. Bye.